Okay, so for your first problem, 326 with a base of 7 times 14 with a base of 7, you write it out as it is. Your second step is to list your numbers individually and then write their bases above them. So this would be 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. And then so 7 squared is 49. 3 times 49 is 147. 7 to the first is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 to the 0 is 1. 6 times 1 is 6. You add them up, that's 167. 7 to the 1 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 to the 0 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Add them up, that's 11. So now we have our base 10 numbers, and we just write them, and we solve normal. And then to get back to our base of 7, we are going to divide that number by 7 until we can't anymore. So then 7 goes into 1837 262 times with a remainder of 3. I circle them so that they're easy to find at the end. 262 divided by 7 is 37 with a remainder of 3. 37 divided by 7 is 5 with a remainder of 2. 5 divided by 7 is 0 with a remainder of 5. Now we write those backwards, so that will be 5, 2, 3, 3, and 7, and that is your answer for the first one. For your second one, 764 with a base of 12 times 9a with a base of 12. Write it as you would. And then your second step is to write out your numbers like so. A is the same as 10, but we'll get to that. So 12 squared is 144, and then 12 to the first is 12, 12 to the 0 is 1, and then you multiply 7 times 144, 6 times 12, 4 times 1, and then you add each of those up, and then you do the same over here. And then you, with A, it's 10, so whenever you're solving, you just write 10, and then you take these two numbers that you have, and it's base 10, so you just solve as you normally would. And since this is still base 10, and we want to get to 12, we divide by 12. So we take our number and we divide it by 12. And so that goes into there with a remainder of 4. Then we divide that by 12 with a remainder of 3. Take that number, divide it by 12, remainder of 0. Then take that number and divide it by 12, remainder of 2. And then I ran out of room, but then you take this number and divide it by 12, you can't. It's a remainder of 6, and then we write them backwards. So 6, 2, 0, 3, 4, and that is with your original base. Hope that helps.